we can't go to school, Ryan. I'm gonna get you something to eat, and we're gonna go home, and you're gonna relax.
Man, sexy. You trying to kill me? Hey, the clubhouse. Then you go the other night. Watch out!
What am I watching out
The
for?
truck!
The truck is way up there,
It's
Ryan.
right there!
It's way up there.
It's right there!
I know, I'm not near it. No, don't you dare open that door.
I went out.
Don't you dare.